Have you ever stopped to think why your credit score is great, but your pocket remains empty? If you have more than 700 points, congratulations. But in fact, this number does not reveal your real financial situation. And the worst part, you lose money daily, believing that you are safe. Today, I will show you why trusting the score is a mistake, and how it can be costing you thousands of dollars per year. In this video, you will find out what credit ratings don't count, why your score may be covering up hidden debts, abusive fees, and blocking investment opportunities. I will reveal 3 powerful strategies that bankers and investors use to recover money and build real wealth. And best of all, they're simple and immediate actions. Know the case of Maria. She lived in Atlanta, always paid everything on time, had a score of 780, until trying to finance a car and being refused. Why? I had 60% usage on the card. The score was good, but the system via risk. Mary trusted the number and lost an excellent financing condition. And do you know what she did next? A change that can work for anyone. Let's unmask the score. It measures 5 things: payment history, usage time, mix, and new queries. But even with 750 plus, if your usage is high or has no reserve, you remain vulnerable. And the system capitalizes on this ignorance. It offers expensive limits and products that keep you stuck. 1. Open a high-yield savings account called HYSA. Many earn only 0.01% per year, but there are options with 4% plus. With 10,000 United States dollars, this represents 400 United States dollars a year without effort. Separating this money protects emotionally and financially. To keep credit usage below 30%, and pay for the card twice a month. This trick reduces your average and improves your financial profile without cutting expenses. 3. Invest intelligently. Even with little use ETFs, fractional stocks, or Roth IRA, the secret: start early and let time multiply your money. It's not about earning much now, but about building consistent long-term wealth. Imagine a year from now, no debt, with a reserve that pays off, growing with investments. This starts now, far from relying on just one number. And the best, it is possible for anyone, starting small, without giving up the gift. In the links below are recommended tools, which can help you apply what you learned today. Just click and get started. If this video has opened your mind, sign up and activate the bell to not miss new videos with practical and quick tips. Let's build financial freedom together. See you in the next video.